in a dramatic legal move that revisits the tragic final hours of a beloved cultural icon. The estate of Star Trek legend Nichelle Nichols has filed a wrongful death lawsuit against Gila Regional Medical Center in Silver City, New Mexico, the hospital where the actress spent her last day. Hooray! Nichols, forever known to generations of fans as Lieutenant Noda Uhura, passed away on July 30th, 2022, at the age of 89. Her death was ruled heart failure, but now her family is challenging the circumstances surrounding her treatment, alleging that medical negligence played a decisive role in what should have been a preventable loss. Quote, filed in Grant County 6th Judicial District Court. The lawsuit accuses the rural hospital of failing to properly diagnose and treat Nichols when she was brought in with symptoms her attorney says were consistent with acute heart failure. According to legal filings, instead of performing a full cardiac workup, hospital staff placed Nichols in a low-intensity observation unit, a setting that her family's lawyers argue was wholly inadequate for the severity of her condition. Hooray! Rather than arranging for transfer to a facility with a cardiology unit, the suit claims Gila Regional Medical Center discharged Nichols just hours later. She died approximately 7 hours after leaving the hospital, back at an assisted living facility. The complaint asserts that this chain of decisions fostered an environment which prevented Ms. Nichols from being diagnosed and treated properly. Hooray! The estate's attorney, Lisa Curtis, told local media that Nichols' son, Kyle Johnson, was horrified by the level of care his mother received. Johnson reportedly brought her to the hospital after she began experiencing troubling symptoms, unaware of how her case would be handled. While the lawsuit seeks unspecified compensatory and punitive damages, it also serves, according to the family's camp, as a broader call for accountability in community health care. Hooray! Representatives of Gila Regional Medical Center had not publicly responded at the time of reporting, with attorneys for the hospital reportedly not answering calls or emails. A crucial motion hearing in the case is scheduled for April 7, 2026, a step that could set the stage for further proceedings later in the year. Hooray! Beyond the legal battle, Nichols' legacy as a trailblazer in entertainment and civil rights remains undiminished. Her role on Star Trek was pioneering, a Black woman in a position of authority on primetime television, and her later work recruiting women and minorities for NASA cemented her influence far beyond the screen. Hooray!